Are you ready to revolutionize your marketing strategy, save time, money, and gain an unbeatable competitive edge? Well, gear up, as today we unveil the magic of persona-driven interactions with ChatGPT through our brand new ebook, 50 Marketing Persona Profiles. Stay till the end of the video to receive a discount for your purchase. By staying to the end of this video, as my thanks to you, is a coupon valued at $10 that you can use at point of sale to purchase this ebook, 50 ChatGPT Marketing Persona Profiles, featuring profiles like brand manager, content creator, copywriter, email marketing manager, growth hacker, lead generation specialist, podcast producer, SEO specialist, social media manager. Over 50 marketing persona profiles that you can chop and change when the need arises. It's not whether you need to get that, it's you have to get that. And if you don't, you'll just lag behind your customers. It's as simple as that, because they already bought it. Time, the ever-escaping resource, especially when drowned in the abyss of generic data. But what if you could slice through the noise, straight to tailored insights? Your time is precious and we value it. With our meticulously crafted persona profiles, dive straight into that personalized insight from ChatGPT, saving you a mountain of time. No more sifting through irrelevant information. It's time for swift, tailored insights. Not that one, this one. Time is money. With persona profiles, less prompts are required. More valid information is presented. Why hire a battalion when one or two can conquer? With our persona profiles, all you need is a pair of hands to adjust and interact with ChatGPT. Save not just time, but your hard-earned money too. Once enhanced, ChatGPT will go right to work with the questions you ask it. Stay leagues ahead in the fiercely competitive marketing arena. Our persona profiles are your secret arsenal for personalized interaction with ChatGPT, sharpening your strategizing and decision-making powers. In the cutthroat realm of digital marketing, having a sniper's precision is what sets you apart. These persona profiles are your sniper scope, helping you tailor your interactions with ChatGPT. No, not that one. And gain that much coveted edge in strategizing and decision making. It's a breeze to get started. Simply pick a profile, let's say the account-based marketing manager, copy paste into the custom instruction tab, and voila, initiate a focused chat with ChatGPT. It's that easy. And here is a killer hack for you. Want to switch personas on the fly? Simply copy paste the new persona profile into the chat box. ChatGPT adapts swiftly with no extra steps, no hassles. Our persona profiles aren't just a one-trick pony. They tackle numerous marketing hurdles head on, be it understanding diverse audience segments or effectively employing AI tools like ChatGPT. Our persona profiles are your ticket to staying updated without the overwhelm. Tailored interactions with ChatGPT? No, not that one. Provide insights and updates precisely aligned with your role, keeping you on top of relevant trends without breaking a sweat. A dreaded creative block, a marketer's nemesis, especially when deadlines loom. But here is a hack to beat it. Engage in stimulating dialogues with ChatGPT through our persona profiles. It's like having a brainstorm buddy at your fingertips, ready to help you spark those elusive ideas and leap over creative hurdles with ease. Act fast. The copies are flying off the virtual shelves. Your competition snagged theirs. It's your turn now. Save time, save money, and race ahead with 50 marketing persona profiles. Only a limited number remain. Your competition has theirs already. It's time to grab yours. Unleash the power of tailored marketing with ChatGPT and let your brand soar the digital skies. And as promised, here is your discount coupon to use at point of sale. Click the link below to grab your copy now before it's too late. And remember, In the marketing realm, staying ahead is not a choice, it's a necessity.